Hello, it's Peter Baker from VoiceOver Masterclass with 3 top tips. If you're a self-published author and you're not creating audiobook versions of your works, you really are missing out a large part of your potential audience. Remember, you can create a Kindle version, paperback, hardback versions, that's easy via KDP. But you don't want to leave cash on your table, leaving out an audiobook version of your book. And that section can kind of flummox a lot of authors. So here are 3 top tips to make sure it's going to be a success. Firstly, unless you're a well-known celebrity or experienced voice artist, find a professional to narrate your audiobook. Don't be tempted to use a cheap AI voice, especially for fiction books where each character needs the emotions of a human voice actor, not a synthetic voice, to bring your creations to life. Second, consider slightly adapting your book for audio. For example, while readers can see things like speech marks and italics and quotes in boxes, audio listeners may well need more clues to follow what's going on. Thirdly, don't give exclusive rights of your audiobook to Audible, as there are other great audiobook distributors out there, such as Findaway, part of Spotify. So you take less of a cut for Audible, but that means you're allowed to distribute it elsewhere. Many people find they actually make more income doing that. Hey, would you like a full, easy-to-follow, video-based course for authors to turn your book into audiobooks, with all the tips and techniques you need to know to record, edit, and publish a successful audiobook? Check out voiceovermasterclass.com now.